Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're talking about the best TV antenna for your TV. If you're tired of paying those high cable bills and want to enjoy free HD channels, then this is the solution you've been looking for. Let's dive into the details of the TV antenna indoor for smart TVs, designed for long-range reception and high-quality viewing. The first thing you'll notice about this antenna is how easy it is to set up. Gone are the days of complicated installations. Simply connect the antenna to the cable ant-in port at the back of your HD TV, position it on your table, wall, or window for the best reception, and scan for channels. It's that simple. And just like that, you're ready to enjoy free HD channels without any monthly subscriptions. One of the standout features of this antenna is its ability to support both 4K and 1080p resolutions. This means you'll get a crystal clear viewing experience for your favorite local channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, and many more. No more fuzzy signals or pixelated images. With this antenna, you get full HD channels at no extra cost. The antenna's performance is enhanced with a smart IC chip that provides 360-degree signal reception. This allows it to filter out unwanted signals from cellular and FM frequencies, which minimizes noise and maximizes picture and sound clarity. Whether it's sunny or stormy outside, the antenna keeps working, offering stability even in bad weather. What makes this antenna even more versatile is its range. It has a long-range reception of up to 450,000 meters, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you place it on your window, stick it to the wall, or mount it outside, you can count on stable and strong signal reception. It's built to handle various environmental conditions, ensuring you get the best possible reception no matter where you are. Plus, the antenna comes with a 20-foot coaxial cable, giving you plenty of flexibility to position it for optimal reception. If you're in an area with weak signal strength, simply reposition the antenna, rescan for channels, and enjoy uninterrupted viewing. So, if you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective solution to get rid of your cable bill while still enjoying top-quality television, this TV antenna is the way to go. It's easy to install, provides excellent picture and sound quality, and works in all weather conditions. Say goodbye to cable fees and hello to free HD TV with this incredible antenna. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about this antenna, and if you have any questions, we're happy to help. See you in the next video.